All right, Aaron Parker, Parker's Safes and Vaults, with a look today at a Graffunder vault door that we installed. This door is the Bishop Series 8240, and the customer had an excavator on site, so we were real fortunate there. He just dropped it into place right by the rough opening. Made it super easy on us, so appreciate that. And good time to do it if anybody's watching and wondering when to install vault door. Foundation, when it's all open like that, is great. So this is the 1/2-inch plate steel door. It's got emergency egress, outswing door. Everything is, the frame and everything is 1/2-inch plate. To install it, you just take these legs. There's a leg here on the left, a header piece, and then a right leg held together by these machine bolts. So you remove all those, slide the door into place, put those back on, and tighten them down, and that's about it. It's real easy to install. Not a lot of adjustments need to be made, and nice solid door by Graffunder. Bishop 8240. Thanks for having a look.